Tonight, housing advocates are seeking solutions to help people stay in their homes. A group called Housing Justice Coalition is demanding city and county leaders invest in the right to counsel.
Yeah, we've reported on the housing struggle for years. Rent hikes, eviction notices, and unfortunately, folks that are thrown right out of their homes. UNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson joining us live from the Government Center tonight. What would this right to legal counsel do here, Lexi?
Well, for people facing eviction and that are low income, they would be provided an attorney to help them navigate the court system and know their rights as a tenant. It's something other cities have done and have had success. In Charlotte, it's still increasingly hard to afford housing. Prices continue to rise, and while the number of housing units has increased, supply still lags demand.
Affordable housing continues to be one of our top priorities for the board, top priority for the community. We've got to continue to figure out how we can provide access and more opportunities for people.
As Mecklenburg County courts process evictions, housing advocates are pushing to ensure low-income residents have legal representation.
But we see that there's an eviction crisis that's occurred as a result of all of these factors coming together. That's affecting like the most vulnerable population, people that are at or below the 30% of the area median income.
Attorney Ismail Qaim with the Housing Justice Coalition is asking Charlotte City Council and Mecklenburg County Commissioners to provide $50 million in funding for a right to counsel. The goal, low-income tenants won't have to fight their landlords by themselves.
The way the legal process works, if the person doesn't have any representation, they don't really have anybody to try to bargain and argue on their behalf to really maybe give them the time they need to make that payment up.
And there's proof that it works. According to the New York City Office of Civil Justice, 84% of represented tenants in the city were able to remain in their homes, and 100% of tenants with eviction cases had access to legal services. The program is funded through $166 million of New York City general revenue.
Representation in this particular instance literally could be the difference between someone being homeless and someone remaining housed.
And the Housing Justice Coalition believes that by investing in right to counsel, it'll actually save the city and the county money because it's less evictions to process. Reporting live at the Government Center for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.